she's still hanging. Déjame comer los
Meu Deus, quase que a nossa casa pegou fogo. Ai, meu Deus. Ai, meu Deus. Ai, meu Deus. Ai, meu Deus, o carro pegou fogo. Ai, meu Deus, nossa casa pegou fogo. Ai. Ai, meu Deus. Ai, meu Deus. Ai, meu Deus. Vamos entrar lá dentro, Kevin, com eles.
Yo, y'all got peoples over here, man. Call y'all folks, man. This shit crazy. Yo, a fucking plane. Oh my God. Look, people cribs on fire. Oh my God. What is going on in the world, bro? Oh my God, bro. It's all the way down there, too.
Pessoal, um helicóptero acabou de cair no meio da Catman aqui, ó. Um helicóptero acabou de cair aqui do lado meu, velho. Aqui no meio da Castor.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Fuck!
I know who you are.
Can I get...
Yeah, just go the long way, bro. Just go the long way.
All right, brother. All right.
Just stay on the other side of this tape line right here, okay?
Will.
I appreciate it.
A plane has crashed right off the boulevard at Cotman Avenue. It's on fire. It's not under control. It looks like a side street. All places in fire. It looks like debris here. I'm in a debris field. They're opening up the parking lot. There is thick smoke and the smell of jet fuel. I'm working, I'm sorry, with Fox. I need to get my, I should have worn a jacket. Sorry, brother.
Just go down there.
I will. There's pieces of the plane here. We're near Northeast Philly Airport. There are lines of police and fire as far as I can see. Black smoke filling the sky over the shopping plaza. It looks like it's on a side street, affected. We're right across from a busy shopping center. So the plane, pieces of the plane are in the Roosevelt Mall parking lot. It looks like, according to police, that's why they're roping that off. This was as close. There's black smoke. Sorry, I'm breathing bad. Flames of black smoke coming over.
Meu Deus! Meu Deus! Gente!
A fucking plane just crashed on Cotman Avenue, yo. I was right there, bro. What the fuck? Yo, somebody oh my God, yo, the world, yo. What the fuck, yo?